welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Twitty, and you guys know I love talking about handbags, luxury, fashion, all of the things. And so today I'm so excited because I have a new handbag. I guess it's a reveal because it's not an unboxing. I already unboxed it for you guys here on my channel on YouTube Shorts. So you can see the unboxing if you like, but today we're gonna dive into like the details of the bag, what I think about the bag, and just give you guys a kind of like review and unveiling if you're interested in the YSL takeaway box. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do that. Just click that little subscription button below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And now let's get into this fun little bag. All right, you guys, so this bag is called the YSL takeaway box bag. That's the official name on their website, but if you guys have been seeing this bag, or if you just look at it, I know what it resembles, right? So people have been calling it the Happy Meal bag, they've been calling it the lunch box bag, the takeout bag, all of those different things. And that is the reason why I purchased this bag. So we're gonna get into all the specs about the bag. I'll even show you guys what fits in the bag. But before we do that, I just wanted to share why I purchased this bag. So I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you guys and let you know that I did not feel like I needed this bag, and I still feel like I don't need this bag. But the reason that I purchased this bag is because I am someone who will see a bag that's very different. I love it, and I don't need it in my closet immediately because, as you can see, guys, this is not a practical everyday bag. So I don't feel like I need it in my closet immediately. And then I'll wait, and then all of a sudden I just become obsessed with the bag. I fall in love with it, and at that point, the bag has already increased in price. As you guys know, in this luxury fashion industry, price changes are happening all the time. We keep seeing price increases just like popping up left and right, and so the past few bags, at least for the past like 1 to 2 years now, I have been paying a premium for the bag compared to what it was when I originally was interested in the bag. So that is what has happened with this bag. If you follow my channel, you know that I love any bag that's just like different or edgy, and obviously that's what this is. I know that I'm not going to wear this bag every day. I know that it's not practical in that sense, but I love those pieces that are just like very different and edgy. And then I'm also a sucker for realism. So the fact that this bag looks like something else in real life, I know that within a year or so, I was going to become obsessed with this bag. And right now it retails for $1,950 USD. And I didn't want to wait to find out what it will be, you know, when I finally decide like, oh yeah, I want that bag. And next thing you know, it's like close to $3,000. And then I'm kicking myself of, why did I not purchase it back when I originally wanted it? So if you know, admire this bag, you like it, you think it's cool, but you're not at a place where you can just add kind of like collector's items to your collection, this bag is not for you. If you're new to luxury and you're looking to build a practical and sustainable wardrobe and have pieces that you can use and flex every day, this is not the bag for you. I'm at a place where I feel pretty comfortable and confident in my luxury collection, and I can now add pieces that are fun and impractical. I'm not shopping for my return on investment or price or cost per wear or anything like that. Like, I'm literally just adding this to my collection because I like it. I think it'll be cool. When I do get to bring it out, I think it's a great conversation starter. I also think it looks cool on display, and I think it'll be a really, really cool vintage piece like later on down the line. So just wanted to start with that of, don't get influenced to buy these things that just really won't fit in your wardrobe or make sense for you unless it does make sense for you. And then of course, absolutely have fun. That's what fashion's all about. And just get the daggone bag. All right. So here is the bag. She's absolutely gorgeous. I was actually surprised by how small she was when I opened her up. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was going to be a bit bigger, but I would consider this to be a small bag. She's about a little over 8 inches in width, and so I think it's a good size bag still, and you guys will see how much I'm able to pack in here, which is amazing, especially for someone like myself who is a fan of mini bags. I feel like I'm carrying a whole tote bag here, okay? She is a cute little fun small size, which I think is very functional. This bag is also completely 100% leather, which is something that I love. We're not seeing that a lot these days with luxury handbags. We're seeing prices go up, quality go down. It's hard to find a 100% leather handbag these days. And so to come across one that is completely leather, kudos to YSL for that. So this one is 100% calfskin leather. So you'll see all on the bag here, it's this beautiful tanned leather that's embossed with YSL all over it. I love the embossing and the accent. It just gives it an even cooler look to me. And it even has Paris embossed on here as well. So I thought that was really cool. So the bag is fully 100% leather. It's only made of, it looks like maybe 2 pieces of leather that they have stitched together. And so as you can see, the bottom is folded like a Happy Meal box as well. And then on the top, you just pull off these 2 sides. It opens up wide and you have one just like big box and cavity here with one single slip pocket that says Saint Laurent Paris on it, I believe. Yes, and mine is made in Italy. So that is the bag. It's a very simple construction, but still very, very well made, a single piece of leather. I love how the inside has that beautiful suede. And I just love that about the bag, that we're getting a leather handbag. So I think over time, and again, especially, you know, over the years, when this becomes a vintage bag, I think it will age so beautifully and so well. And then this particular one has aged gold hardware, which I thought was pretty cool. So this bag comes in 2 colors. It comes in this version. It also comes in a black version with silver hardware. And that was honestly speaking my language, because I am a silver hardware girl. I am a silver, platinum, white gold jewelry wearer. I love black bags. All of that was originally calling me, but I felt like it wasn't really adding to my wardrobe because I have so many things that are like black and silver. And then for this to be such a cool bag in concept, I felt like the black and silver actually wasn't as edgy as this version. I don't really know how to explain it well, but it just felt like it took away some of the edge because the black and silver was like very predictable, if you will. Whereas this was not predictable, and especially not for my wardrobe. And like I said, I'm trying to add cool new pieces to my wardrobe that this would just pop against everything else that I have, because I'm so into wearing black and silver and all of that. I'm also trying to force myself to get into more gold anyway, and gold jewelry and all of that. So I've actually been having a hard time kind of pairing some of my existing handbags with my newer looks and gold jewelry, because I don't really have a lot of handbags that have like gold or champagne hardware. So I loved this aged gold hardware to kind of diversify my wardrobe and just add that cool factor to it. So love that about the bag. And I just think it's really beautifully well done. It's very lightweight when it's empty. So we're gonna fill it up, and you'll see that it holds a lot, but just be mindful of that. The more you fill it up, just like with any bag, it does add weight to it. But right now, when it sits by itself, as you can see, it's very lightweight, very comfortable on the arm or in the hand. Okay, so we're gonna begin filling up the bag with a few items. I have it open here, and the first one is, of course, my cell phone. So this is a iPhone 12 Pro Max, so pretty large in size, so you guys can see that it fits in here perfectly with no issue. I just slid it there against the back. And then next, I decided to do a pair of sunglasses. And by the way, everything that I'm putting in the bag, I'm trying to do like larger size or full sizes so that you guys can see how much really fits in here. It doesn't mean that you have to pack it that big, but just want you guys to see the capacity of this bag, because I do think that you can fit a lot in here, and since it's structured, you don't lose the shape or anything like that, which is awesome. So this is a pretty large sunglass case that I'm just gonna slide in here as well so you guys can see where we are so far. Next, I have hand sanitizer. I have to keep hand sanitizer on me, of course. Let's move this around. Just a plain pack of tissue. This is my everyday wallet. It has my keys, my wallet, which is actually a Louis Vuitton clay key, I believe it's called, and it actually has my AirPod Pro on it as well, so pretty bulky. We'll throw that in. You guys can see how we still got plenty of space. Then if you watch my videos, you know I absolutely have to have flossers on me at all times, so this is just a pack of flossers, some lotion, and a pack of gum. Another must-have for me. And then last but not least, I always have at least 3 lip products on me. I have a chapstick, a lipstick, and then my lip gloss, which I'm just throwing on here. So as you guys can see, all of that fit in here. I can't really see what I'm doing, so it's not like nicely in there, but as you can see, it's all in there. Fits perfectly. I can close it up, and there you go. As you can see, there's no change in the shape. It still has its structure. I will tell you right now, this bag is feeling pretty heavy, probably because I'm holding it like by my fingertips. When I put it down beside me, it's not bad at all, but definitely a change in weight here. Definitely not as light as it was, but still holds a ton, so I know I could go out all day and night with this and have everything I need, and I just think that it's absolutely perfect while, you know, being absolutely functional and beautiful at the same time. So a really cool piece if you are interested in this bag. Now you know the full construction, the specs, and how much fits in it, and that I'm pretty pleasantly surprised at how much that it holds. So I totally recommend this bag if this is something that is on your list and that you're eyeing and it makes sense for you. I love it. I think it's cool. And again, I can't wait to wear this. I think it'll be such a cool little like conversation starter, or like going out to dinner. I think this is like the perfect bag to have sitting on your table or something like that. I just think it's so fun. All right, you guys, so that is it for my unveiling of my YSL takeaway box bag. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this bag your style? Is it not? Do you like it? Do you prefer the black versus the tan? Like, I want to know your thoughts, because I feel like this is one of those bags that either you love it or you hate it. It's not for you, whatever. So let me know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.